Hello students, we have studied about some of the cell organelles so far, and the next one to come is cytoplasm. A thick solution composed of water, salts and proteins that fills the cell is called cytoplasm. So what a cytoplasm is, it is a solution that is composed of water, salt and protein. It is a thick solution. It is surrounded by cell membrane. Like I said that day, that the void part of the cell contains a solution, a liquid, cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm is surrounded by the cell membrane. The nucleus of the cell is surrounded by cytoplasm. Also the nucleus of the cell, it is also surrounded by the same liquid, that is cytoplasm. And the next one and very important one is mitochondria. So what is a mitochondria? Mitochondria are round tube-like organelles that provide energy to a cell. So mitochondria is a round tube-like cell organelle that provides energy to the cell in the form of ATP. What ATP is? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So what mitochondria is? Mitochondria is a tube-like structure, is a tube-like cell organelle that provides energy to the cell in the form of ATP for performing different chemical activities for the sustenance of life. So mitochondria is the power of the cell. Mitochondria is also called as the power of the cell. Why mitochondria is called as the power of the cell? Because it provides energy to the cell. It is surrounded by two membranes. Now mitochondria is surrounded by two membranes. We also called it a double membraned organelle. The outer membrane is porous. The outer membrane is porous. That means it has small pores present in it that allows the exchange of material. Whereas the inner membrane has deep folds that provide a large surface to perform chemical reactions required for the generation of ATP. The inner membrane has some folds in it. You know that when we fold something, it increases the surface area. So the inner membrane has a lot number of folds in it. It increases the surface area that is required for the chemical reactions for the generation of ATP molecules. The ground substance or space is enclosed by inner membrane is called matrix. So the surface that is enclosed by the inner membrane is known as matrix. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes, and hence they are capable to produce some of their required proteins all by themselves. They have their own DNA, so they are capable of producing some of the required proteins all by themselves without any need of external cell organelle. It is a basic structure of mitochondria. You can see here it is a double membrane, here are the folds, and it is all about mitochondria. We have studied about some of the main cell organelles and very few are left, so we will study about them in the next lectures. Thank you.